Y Media breaking news.
UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has been fined for not wearing a seatbelt in a moving car while filming a social media video. Mr. Sunak had previously apologized for the incident, saying it was an error of a judgment. Passengers caught failing to wear a seatbelt when one is available can be given an on-the-spot fine of £100. This can increase to £500 if the case goes to the court. The Prime Minister was in Lancashire when the video was filmed during the trip across the north of England. Lancashire police said it has issued a 42-year-old man in London with a conditional offer of a fixed penalty.